Synovus Park is really a reimagining of a historic ballpark here in Columbus called Golden Park. And so the job is really neat. We were tasked with our design partner Populous to bring a historic structure back to meet the modern player development league standards for minor league baseball. And so really it's been an amazing kind of thing getting to work with a great architecture firm and a great partner to reimagine what this facility that's meant a lot to our city through the years and bring it into the modern era of baseball.
The original baseball field was here in 1926. They've been playing baseball here since then. The Stadium Bowl was added in 1951, and in 95, in preparation for the softball at the Olympic Games, they had a renovation here to get it up to standards for the softball. And so part of the project has been a mix of sort of the old aspects of the stadium and mixing it with the new construction and how all that ties together.
This job is very unique in the fact that there's a lot of new construction along with renovation. A lot of the stuff didn't kind of marry up with the renovation work. So we've had to do a lot of changes in regards to that, kind of notify the design team. And another challenge was the schedule. We started construction in April, predominantly with demos, so we really didn't start putting anything back till May. So a tough schedule with a lot of buildings.
To meet player development league standards, the dugouts had to be a certain length, and they're getting a batting cage building with 3 hitting tunnels, all new locker rooms, player commissary areas to eat inside the clubhouse building, all new team store for merchandise as you enter the entry gates.
A few things that we have self-performed out here. We performed all the vertical and horizontal concrete work, masonry on the patron building, clubhouse building, and batting cage building. We've also had to do some masonry work on the existing building, and we have also been working on wood frame in the suites, which was not in our original scope of work.
It just allows us to drive the schedule and get the work completed, and just taking on more self-perform going forward just really helps us drive the project to completion.
This is one of the first projects where I have really seen the full kind of breadth and depth of Brasfield Gorrie, in that we have had the lean department being involved with the kind of the design build nature. We've had the structural department involved. We've had scheduling involved. We had great pre-construction services. The virtual design studio has helped tons. We have really touched kind of all the aspects of our company and all the services that we can bring. And so really in kind of Synovus Park is just a true kind of, I like to call it a one company project. We have 2 project managers from Atlanta that are on our team on loan from Sports and Entertainment in Region 7. And so really it's been an amazing job just to get to see the full impact we can make when we fully commit.
We've always had a great relationship with Wes Kelly and his team here in Columbus. They do great work, not just for the city, but a lot of developers here in town.
You know, I've worked on other stadium projects, and, you know, with Brasfield and Gorrie, they're so communicative. You know, that's not always the case. I couldn't imagine if we didn't have that direct line of communication, as, you know, we work on our part of the operation, and they do theirs, as well as Populous, our architects. It's all of us are so busy in our own ways getting ready for this, but it's really had a really good smooth flow to it.
You know, this is an incredible project. It's a baseball project, but I keep telling people it's not just baseball. I love baseball. I'm a baseball nut. I'll be in the stands when the first pitch is thrown. But it also is going to enable us to serve as a launch pad for some capital investment that we think could be anywhere from $200 to $350 million. So it's going to have a profound effect on our economy as well.
Golden Park has hosted a ton of people. Hank Aaron's played there, Babe Ruth has played there. It has been the existing Stadium Bowl that we are using has been in existence since 1950, but the stadium dates to 1921. And so we are really having a neat opportunity to take something old and meaningful and make it new and impactful to our city.